G-Week presents the all-new upgraded ultra-high-speed laser cutting machine, GV Series, setting faster, smoother, and more precise as the new standard for high-speed machines. 3G maximum acceleration, 10 Hz low-pass filter, 200 meters per minute rapid traverse speed. Not just numbers, but also the assurance to push past limits. High-torque servo motor plus German integrated reducer. Powerful drive that responds precisely to every instantaneous change in complex paths. Low center of gravity one-piece welded heavy-duty bed. Widened ribs boost bending and torsion resistance. Mortise-and-tenon welding eliminates stress, locking in accuracy. Intelligent laser cutting head. Full-body water cooling covers over 90% of the optical path. Consistent beam quality, even under continuous operation. German design hollow structure beam. 18% higher torsional stiffness at the same weight, 25% lighter at the same stiffness, lightness and strength. Combined. Intelligent optimization of corner cutting paths. Reducing idle travel and ineffective movement. Overall processing efficiency increased by over 50%. The more complex the pattern, the more dramatic the speed gain. Even urgent orders can be handled with ease. When speed keeps climbing, lasting machine stability and cutting accuracy become truly invaluable. From the bed to the beam to the drive, every detail built to deliver rock-solid stability. Seamlessly integrates with loading-to-unloading systems. Zero reliance on manual labor, enabling smart production from the ground up. Win with speed, endure with stability. G-Week Ultra High Speed Laser Cutting Machine GV Series.